Let me share my screen as well. Okay. As yesterday, we covered some basic concept related to database, and we study what is data. We cover some DBMS softwares that what is DBMS, and we study some DBMS languages that it was about SQL, NoSQL, MongoDB, and etc. Those were the languages which we can directly communicate with the databases. Now today, we will learn that how to install that DBMS, that database management softwares directly. So with no further delay, let's get started. I will go to my browser. Follow, guys. Those who didn't install, please follow along with me. And those who installed, they can see and just wait. Okay. Whenever you come to browser, just type MySQL download. Just click on directly MySQL download. You will navigate it to your search. Whenever in here you have a first link, which is MySQL download, and you have a one fish icon in right here. So click on the first icon. Click on the first link. Everybody, just follow up with me. Search MySQL download. Now I will click on MySQL and download. Whenever you clicked on that, you will be navigated to the download section of the MySQL page. If anyone's might face this page, MySQL column, so you can easily click on this download menu. Can you see it? This is my download menu right here. Click on that. Now, when you come to this page, you can scroll it down a little bit. Just come and scroll it down. You will be encountering or you will be facing this page. In this page, you have to click on MySQL Community GPL download. You have to click on that. Just whenever you click on download section page, scroll it down a little bit, come to the under section, you will be facing MySQL Community GPL downloads. Now click on that. In here, we have MySQL Community Downloads version. These versions are for different purpose. Like suppose we have connected C++, those who are making projects in C++ and they want to connect their projects for databases and their language of choice is C++, though, so they have to install that connector. We don't need these things right here. We need only what MySQL installer for Windows. If you can see, and at the last section of the page, we have MySQL installer for Windows. Click on that, guys. I will click on that. Here, you will be facing one another page. Okay, for those who are Mac user, they are good to go with me till this point. Those who are Mac user, they have to select their operating system of their choice, and those who are Windows user, they're already selected their Microsoft Windows by default. Okay, all right, here we will be facing two installer. One is about 2.4 MB and one is about 4.28 MBs. It means 428 MB. Right here, you have to download the second option. Can you see? You have to download the Windows 86 32-bit MIS installer. Version is 8.0.33 and the size will be 428 MB. Click on that download button. When you click on that download button, they will redirect you to a login page and sign up page. Now your duty is to do what? Your duty is to just click on no thanks, just start my download. Click on this section. As guys, I already downloaded. It's about 428 MB. So I will not download that again. So you guys just click on that and wait for your downloads to complete. And whenever your download is complete, just do what? Ping me in the chat box. Done. Write down in the chat box. Okay, we have a message from Sardar. Your no voice. Sardar, can you hear me right now? Guys, is my voice audible? Okay, great. Okay, whenever the download is completed, just type done in the chat box. Those who didn't install the MySQL. This is also applicable for the Mac user. They can also download it like this.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, sure.
Sorry, I'm late for the class, and I had the same issue yesterday that I had to download C++. Did you figure that out?
Just wait for a second. Whatever step I showed in here, you have to follow this alongside with me. The problem will be resolved. Just go to your browser, type MySQL download. You will be facing one link. So click on that first option, which is pop up on your search. So click on MySQL download. Whenever you clicked on that, they will navigate you to download section. Now your duty is to scroll it a little bit down and find MySQL community GPL. So click on that link.
Okay, my browser is kind of slow. I'm sorry.
Okay, it's okay. No worries. It's okay. Just.
Sorry, I got a question.
Yeah, sure.
Yesterday we downloaded the MySQL Workbench.
Mm-hmm.
And today we're just doing MySQL installer for Windows.
There is no difference between
Oh.
there is no difference between Workbench and MySQL download. The Workbench is only specific for the Windows user, and Workbench is like we say, it's an open source. We use it in both sides, in a MacBook also, Linux also, and a Windows also. They are same, no difference.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, you're most welcome. Okay, if the download is completed, so I will navigate to my folder structure and I will find my, okay, let me find my SQL. I already downloaded. So I will, those who downloaded, so go to your download section folder and click on MySQL installer. Double click on that. But before that, I need to check whether I installed it before or not. Let me check it once. Let me open the control panel. If I already installed it, so I need to uninstall it once. So the option for the Windows user, they have to navigate to control panel, find in here programming features. It is here. I will click on that. Here is the list of programs which is installed on your computer. Okay. I will do what? I will uninstall whatever version I installed already. So I will click on uninstall. So it will take a little bit of time. Why it says like this. Let's uninstall. Let's uninstall the documents as well. Because yesterday I installed the wrong version in my computer, so I need to uninstall it. It was not compatible with my operating system.
Hi everyone. Sir,
Hello.
I have a question.
Yeah, sure, please. Go ahead.
That version is still we can install for Mac.
Listen, Sonia. Whatever step I show you, just you go follow and download that section. Later on, we will see. Okay, is that fine?
Yes, I did up to my SQL community downloads.
Okay, that's great.
Another one, the down one is like save my SQL installer for Windows. Should I select that one or is this fine for
So
me too?
you're using Windows or MacBook?
No, it's MacBook.
So you have to select the MacBook. You don't need to install for Windows.
This is the only page that I see. I didn't find for the Mac.
Okay, just okay, wait for a second.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, you're most welcome. Let's see if, let's solve the problem for the Windows user first. Okay, I'm done with uninstalling. Okay, I will go now and I will double click those who download it. For Windows user, double click on your MySQL install community. It will take some time. It will gathering the information. Yeah, now I'm fully in this page. Okay, everybody, are you guys also facing the page which I'm facing?
I'm a bit behind, therefore, Khan.
Okay, okay, I'm waiting for you guys. I'm waiting for you guys. Just install it first. Whenever you click on that, the installation process will begin after when the install is completed. So you will be facing the page which I am facing. The page will be
Once
look like
again,
this. The page will be look like this. Developer default, server only, client only, full and custom. Just
so
whenever
for
you,
MySQL,
yeah,
sorry, to,
tell me.
sorry to interrupt, to
It's
cut you,
okay.
therefore, Khan.
It's
MySQL community downloads. It's the fourth option, MySQL community server. You said.
no. Actually, wait a second. Let me check your screen. Till
Yep.
here,
Sorry,
guys,
I'm a bit
who are
behind.
installing, just you go through the process. Let me. You're Nasib, am I right?
Yes.
Okay, Nasib, please share your screen. Let me check it first. Yeah, do not move ahead until I say anything. Do not select anything because we have to go with the what with the custom version. Okay, no. Nasib, you have MySQL
Yes.
installer for Windows. Come a little bit down. You can see right here. Yeah, click on that. Yeah, select the second option. Click on download button. Yeah, this one. Click on that. And no, just no thanks. Just start my download. Yeah, you're good to go. Amazing internet speed.
Oh, thank you. Sorry, I'm a bit behind today.
It's okay, no worries. Those of you who are processing the installation, so wait till this point, which my screen stop. Okay. Nasib, you know how to do the next steps?
Not really. I'm
Okay,
gonna
so
share my
share your
screen
screen,
again.
please. Do not stop until I say it,
Okay.
because this session is for solving you guys' problem. Okay, just find your download section. It might be completed. Okay.
Mm,
Can you see above under the cross section, we have one blue icon that is showing circle. Let's wait. Wait for a second. Yeah, your download is complete. Go to your download section. Great. Go to your download folder. Great job. Now your duty is to double click on that. Okay, before double clicking, wait, cancel it. Cancel. Are you sure you want to cancel? Yes. Okay, cancel this. Okay, you
okay.
did. Before that, you have to go to in your control panel section. You might install some other version which is not compatible with your operating system. Go to your control panel, programming features. Okay, find, can you scroll a little bit down? Here, if you see, can you see any MySQL installer or workbench around here?
It was MySQL. I deleted it, I believe.
Okay, if you delete it, then that's okay. Come again to your download section and double click on that. No, Feroz, wait. If you're done with your installation, so you don't need to do it anything.
Okay.
Okay,
Double
double
click
click
on
on
the
that.
first one.
Yeah, first one. You have downloaded right now. Okay, preparing to install. What did it say? Another
Advanced.
installation is in process. You must complete that installation before continuing this one. Okay, cancel this. Okay, cancel this. I can see that you have already processed one another installation. Cancel this as well. Okay, can you see it in your taskbar? We have one download. Yeah, right beside that. Yeah, click on that.
Oh yeah. Sorry.
No, don't close it. You close it, I guess. Close these
Is
screens.
it?
Close these screens. Yeah. Minimize this one. Minimize your WhatsApp screen as well. Okay.
Yeah. Do you want to allow the changes? Yes.
I cannot see your screen. It's a black screen. Okay. Yeah, click on yes. Yeah, wait for a second. Now I can see your screen. Here you are. You're ready. Now stop your sharing and follow whatever step I am doing. Stop your sharing.
Thank you.
You're most welcome. Now, everybody, if you guys can able to see my screen, you will be facing like this. A screen will be pop up like this. Your duty is to click on custom. We have full install all include MySQL products and feature. We don't need that because it needs for development part. Client only, we don't need as well. Server only, this is for this version is for administration purpose. Developer default, we don't need as well because we don't do development. So just select the custom one, the last option. Just pick the custom one, the last option for that. Everybody, just do it. And wait for my next move. You guys select it. Let's click on next button. Here, we will be facing on left hand side available product, on right hand side products to be installed. Now from here we have to select those products which we want to install it right in our workbench. So your duty is that first of all we have to install MySQL server. So click on plus icon on the left hand side. Now click on MySQL server plus icon. Now your duty is to click on MySQL server 8. Here you are. Now at the last section, at the end of that, you have to click on that it will be selected and the green button will be activated right in the middle of these two parts. So click on that green button. So why we are doing this? Because we want to shift it from here to there, that we want to install this product. It will be in our installation list. Do that. Okay. I'm assuming that you guys did it. Your duty is just, you do what? Let me close this. Come again. Okay, those who didn't, click on plus icon sign for MySQL server. Click on again on plus sign icon, which is popped up for MySQL server. Click on plus icon sign again for MySQL server 8.0. You will be encountering MySQL server. Click on that. The green button will be shown to you right here, will be activated. Click on that. The product will be shifted from left hand side to right hand side. That will be showing up in your product to be installed box. Your next task is that you have to click also an application plus sign. Now in here, we have MySQL Workbench, we have MySQL Shell, we have MySQL Router. Among of those, we need only MySQL Workbench and MySQL Shell in some parts. So our main focus is on MySQL Workbench, that it will give us a GUI, graphical user interface page. So click on that plus icon. Now you click on that sub MySQL Workbench plus icon. Here you are. Whenever you encounter faced or the link or a setup that it doesn't have any plus sign, so click on that. The green button on the upper side will be activated. So click on that green button. The product will be shifted from left hand side to right hand side. Do that also. Okay, everybody is done with that. Nobody is facing any issue.
No, so far so good.
Okay, that's great. Okay, now your next task is to click on plus sign again on MySQL Shell and click on MySQL Workbench Shell plus sign, and you have to select the MySQL Shell setup as well. Now, whenever you select this one, the green button will also activate it like others for other setup you did. So click on that. The product will be shifted on the right hand side. Just do this step as well. Okay, great. Now, the next task is to click on next button. We are good to go for installing these three setups for our practicing. So click on next. Here, the page of installation will be popped up and they will say that MySQL server, MySQL workbench, MySQL shell is ready to install. Your duty is to click on execute button. You can see at the end of this model box pop-up, you will encounter one execute button. So click on that.
Excuse me, dear Furkan.
Yeah,
I have a different options. I have uh
you're facing
I
any
can't
issue?
yes.
Okay, let me share your screen. Okay, I will stop my sharing. Just wait, guys, till this point. Share your screen again, Nasib. Okay. What kind of problem you're facing?
I have a different options here.
Yeah, you have different options. So click on that circle buttons. Click on that. Okay, it
Uh,
doesn't allow you to select anything.
no.
Okay, now if you see right here, we have under the section you have requirements. Microsoft Visual C++ 2019 redistribute package 64 is not installed. Let us see binary complete with the version. So you need to download and install the Microsoft C++
Okay.
version. Okay, those of who I see that someone already installed this in their computer and he shared the screenshot in the WhatsApp group. Please do one thing, share that link of the downloads directly, or he can upload it in their Google Drive for fast execution. We can also download it from there. Sardar, I
Okay,
guess it was you. Am I right?
Here, if you go ahead and click execute below in that bottom, it will automatically download that.
Okay, click on execute. You can do the same as well, or you can as well do manually and download it and install it. Just wait for a second. Yeah. Now click on agree to the lessons term and condition. Install that. Let's wait for a second. Okay. The process will be done. Click on close. Setup is successfully installed. Okay.
Next.
Now you're good to go. Now click on next. You can stop your sharing. Okay. For those of who will facing the same problem like Nasib, they can click on execute button. The process will begin installation of the Microsoft Visual Studio or Visual C++ 2019. After the installation, the next button will be pop up. So I will click on execute. You guys who are facing or require the requirement of the computers to download C++ version, so they can do the same. I'll click on execute. The process of installing will begin. Let's wait for 1 to 2 to 3 minutes. It needs a little bit more time to download everything. Okay, let's wait for 1 minute more. Okay, the process is now completed. So all of you, just whenever the process of installation is complete, so your duty is to click on next button. Just click on next button. Okay, here we will be facing one another page, that is product configuration. Everybody, you guys are reached to this page? Reached to this?
Hello,
Yeah,
teacher.
yes, please.
I just finished the downloading because my internet was so slow. Can I share my screen because I don't want to do any mistake?
Okay. Okay, sure. I will stop my sharing. Yeah, share your screen, please.
Okay. Mm. Now you can see it.
Yeah, sure. Now click on custom. Yeah, click on next. Now your duty is to click on plus sign. Yeah, click on that plus sign again. Click on plus sign. Now click on that. The green button is activated. So click on that. Now click on application plus sign. Click on my workbench plus sign. Again, click on that. Yeah, good. MySQL shell. Great. Great job. So click on that green button. You're good to go. Click on next. Now your duty is click on execute. No worries. No worries. You don't need to select that. It will install the Microsoft Visual C++ redistribute section for you. Just wait for a second.
So Furqan, we are only looking for MySQL server in Workbench, right? That's it.
No, not server. We're looking for the workbench, and we will be installing the server. Totally fine. Yeah, server,
Okay.
workbench, and shell.
Do we need shell?
Yeah, we need shell for some configuration purpose in the future. It might. So that's why we're installing it.
Okay.
But if someone don't want to install it, so they can, it's okay. Yeah, click on execute now. That's great. Wait for a second. They will install the MySQL server again.
So I did ping Rahmat. Once he is available, he might be on his way to office. So whenever he is available, we will set up the environment for our Mac users as well.
Okay, that's good.
While I did share a video as well in case you guys watch it and try it. That's not very difficult as well. So.
No worries at all, Falash.
So can you guys confirm in the chat out of 26, 27 participants that we have, how many of them were able to set up? Say just, yes, if you were able to set up.
I guess many of them did it.
Mr. Samadi, I see you did it in Mac as well, right?
Yeah,
So
yesterday I did Mac, and today before the class I actually installed the benchwork.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's cool.
the workbench, sorry.
Okay, that's cool. So can you scroll a little bit down, Marina?
Down.
Yeah, and here you will be facing one button, execute or next button. Can you see it?
Next.
Yeah, click on next. Here
And
you
then
are.
next.
Now you can stop your sharing. You reach till my point. So stop your sharing and follow my screen, okay?
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, you're most welcome. So everybody just watching my facing the same page which I'm facing, all of you. Just after that, click on next button. Here you will be reached to the configuration port. You don't need to do anything right here. Your duty is just to click on next button directly. All of you, just whenever you face this page, click on next button. Now, after that, you will be facing authentication method. They will need a password, everything. So don't do anything. Just click on next again. Just click on next. Yeah, here they will ask you for root password. Just pass the password root ROOT. It's a rememberable password ROOT root. That's okay. Okay, after that, when you type down on board section root, just type root, everybody. Okay, now after that, your duty is to click on next button. Can you see the next button right here? Yeah, click on next button. Now after that, when you click on next button, just wait for a second, guys. Okay, after that, you will be facing two section in here, standard system account, custom user. You don't need to select custom user. Your duty is just select that standard system account. And after that, click on next button. If it is by default selected, so you don't need to do anything. Just click on next. After that, these setting will be selected by default. So just click on next again. Okay, and here some configuration they have with the server. So just you need to do the click on execute button. Just click on execute button.
It might ask Furqan that we have to at least pick any of those. If we pick all of them, that will be better.
No, we
it
don't need to we don't need to select any of them. So just click on execute button. It will start automatically download it and reconfigure it in the system.
Okay.
Just click on execute. It will start right there, downloading in, checking the configuration.
All good.
It will initialize the database. The message says that may take a long time, so we will wait for that. No worries.
So how many of us have MacBooks? Mac
Please don't
users.
write on the screen.
How many Mac users do we have? Okay. 1, 2, 3. And okay, 3 Mac users. And Samadi was able to set up Hamdard and Sunya. What were you able to set it up? I think just me. Okay, so were you able to set up your environment for MySQL?
Okay.
Okay, so
Guys,
don't worry.
yeah, we
are
will
only
do. We will help Sonia. Just let's finish with the Windows, guys. Okay. Now everything is set up and everything is checked in green box tick marks. So your duty is to click on finish. Just click on finish. Now you will be redirected to that MySQL configuration page again, but here you will see under the status section that configuration is complete. Your task is to click on next button. Just click on next button. Everyone, I will wait for you guys. Don't rush, just I will wait for you guys.
Some of you might be thinking like, we are wasting time on the installation. Believe it or not, in every project that you go, you have to do the installation, set up your environment. Remember, this is as well part of our learning. It's not only the environment setup. All the errors that you are facing right now, expecting that the same errors will happen when you are in your job. So you guys will have an idea about things. Other than that, it was way easy to tell you, go ahead, give you 2 videos and from YouTube, or we already have a couple of videos for our setup and installation. We would have done that.
Yeah. After that, guys, when the configuration status is complete, so click on next button. Here you are, just right now. They will ask you whether you want to start the board section, shell as well, and workbench as well. No, I don't want to start the shell right now. So uncheck the shell section. Here you will face the installation complete message. The installation procedure has been completed. Okay, no worries at all. So just uncheck start MySQL shell after setup. Just uncheck this section. Do it right now. Okay, after that, you have to click on finish section, finish button. Just wait for a second. A new screen will pop up. Here you are. You successfully installed your MySQL Workbench. Welcome to MySQL Workbench. Just wait for a second. Let me maximize it.
Yeah, we just want to make sure that everyone
Yeah, reached and
is,
facing this page. Yeah. Welcome to MySQL Workbench. Just please confirm it. Those who are installing alongside with me parallelly, so just please confirm it done. Write done in the chat box. Okay, Marina, done, 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 done. A massive congratulations, guys. You did it. Okay, now next part is you will be facing right here.
Furqan, we are not sure if all are done, right?
Okay, just we will see.
Yeah.
Okay, no worries. If anyone facing
Who's
any
not done?
problem, they can unmute yourself or they
Yeah.
can write it in the chat box. No worries.
Except the Mac users.
Okay, Sadaf, you didn't have
Excuse
this
me.
process and you have this screen. Let's see at the end your problem as well, okay?
Mine, as I told you before, the other friend had problem with the installation. At that stage that we clicked execute, the installation completed, but the window was closed, and I don't see anything for configuration.
Okay, let's see at the end your problem as well. What's your name?
Furqan, let him share his screen so we'll clear
Yeah.
it out.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sure. I will stop my sharing. For those who reached to that welcome page, just wait in that page. Just wait, do not do anything. Don't click on any section on any link. Just share your screen. Asim Mohammadi. Okay, show me.
You can search it. You can search it on your taskbar. Yeah. Right.
MySQL
SQL Workbench.
Workbench. Yeah. Yeah. Click on Workbench. Yeah, click on that. I guess you even didn't download the right one. Okay, just do
So
one thing. Close this. Close this browser. Close this section. Close all of the browser. Go to your control panel. Just first check it whether, yeah, click on that. Open program and feature. Yeah, fine. And here, if you install, okay, you install it. So click on that and uninstall it. Select that MySQL, install it, uninstall it. Yeah. Just let's wait for a second. Great. Now close it. Go to your browser. No, browser. Open your Chrome or Safari or whatever you're using.
he
Go
might
to-
have the down. He might, or maybe he downloaded the wrong version. Maybe.
Yeah. Click on MySQL download. Search for MySQL download. Only MySQL. Yeah. Hit the enter. Hit the enter. Yeah.
Yeah.
Click on first option. That's cool. Now scroll a little bit down. Click on MySQL community. Yeah. Now MySQL installer for Windows. Click on that. Now your duty is to download the. Wait. Okay, it's okay. That's okay. Fine. It's totally fine. Wait for download. Wait for that. The download is complete. Just wait a second. Don't rush, Qasim.
So anyone else who yet did not do it, follow up. We want this to be done by today. Doesn't matter how long it takes. I'll share a short video on MySQL so you guys can brush up before you jump into the class tomorrow. So you guys have at least an idea about it. It will be 1 hour MySQL.
Open.
Yeah, open, show in folder. Great. Now go to
This is
that.
the new one.
Yeah, click on that. Double click on that. Do not rush. Okay. Do it.
Mhm.
Remove protection and open. Yeah. I guess you install some antivirus. Preparing for installation. Let's wait a little bit.
Yes.
This 5-second time is remaining. Yeah, yes, click on yes. Yeah. Wait. Okay, you're good to go. Wait a second. Now select custom. Great. Click on next. Now do the same process which I have done. Great job, Mohammed Qasim. Yes, select. Now click on next. In this section, just do not rush, okay? Do it what I'm saying. Now click on execute. Let's wait for a second so that the installation is complete. Yeah, we have a message from Feroz. Thank you, Feroz, that Qasim need to plug in their computer charger. It might be down anytime. Okay, it reached 87%.
Yeah, this time is different because that time it was so fast,
Yeah,
and now I see it's taking a long time.
yeah, I understand. Okay, no worries, just we will wait so that the process get complete. Sonia, you can use any laptop, no worries. Okay, what does it say? Hide details, click on hide details. You don't need to follow this. Any laptop you can use, Sonia, no worries at all. Just it needs configuration. If your laptop has 2 GB of RAM and some little bit advanced processor, you're good to go with the programming.
I just sent you guys a video from YouTube for MySQL. Watch at least 30 minutes of it every day. We do have videos from our previous sessions, from our previous batches. We can share those as well sometime in advance so you guys can watch it. So for now, just if you cannot, code with using MySQL, you do not understand, at least watch it, even if you think that's something you are sitting in a theater watching a Chinese movie where you do not understand what the characters are saying. At least you know the body language. That's still more than enough. So anyone else? Furqan?
Yes.
So who's sharing? Qasim is sharing
Yeah,
his screen, right?
Qasim's screen is shared. So let's wait for Qasim to complete the process.
Anyone else until Wasim is set up? Anyone else? Yeah, that is what I did. Like Masood says, he likes my example. That is most likely the example when we start until we learn a little bit of Chinese language.
Let's wait for 1 minute more.
Any other language that you don't know, think of it.
Okay, click on that. Now click on next button. The process is complete.
Next.
Great. Click on next. Ready to configure. Okay, click on next. Now your duty is next. Next. Okay, type the password. Root. Type root again. Okay, click on next.
Next.
Click on next. Next.
Next. Execute. Finish.
Now click on next.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Click on next. Wait, Qasim, wait. Click on next. Don't rush, Qasim. Now uncheck that. Click on finish. Let me see your screen. Do not.
Furqan, you see, can't install updates. Select this message. You see?
Oh,
I know
okay.
he's good.
Wait a second.
All
Talal.
good.
Yeah, all good. Now stop your sharing and follow my screen.
Thank you so much.
Anyone else?
Anyone else? Yeah, please.
Anyone else? Windows users. So the point is, if any one of you who are missing right now and think I'll do it, I'll figure it out on my own, I promise you it's gonna be messed up. So whomever, Furqan, let's ask the Sadaf to share her screen.
Yeah, sure. Sadaf, share your
Yeah.
screen, please. Okay, what you have done, Sadaf? You did the installation part?
Yeah, open this MySQL. Yeah, all good. You're here.
Yeah, wait
Okay,
a second.
she has problem with the
Okay, you did
roots.
install in a wrong way. Close that, go to your control panel, Sadaf. We have to do the process again. Close this workbench. Okay, go to, okay, now you have to find the MySQL workbench and related files, and you have to uninstall that. Okay, go to your control panel.
Control. Programs and features. Down, down, down. You can search as well.
Yeah,
MySQL
scroll it a
installer.
little bit down. Yeah, come.
Yeah.
Oh my God, how many of the files you did install? Yeah, great job. Uninstall it because you did install the wrong version.
Okay.
Now go to browser, Chrome, any browser you want. Okay, now click on, wait a second. Okay.
Furqan,
Search.
you can put the link in the chat if you have.
Okay,
So
no
it will
worries.
directly be
Let's
there.
do it manually that she learned. Okay, to write down in the search box MySQL download. Don't put my space between my and SQL. Yeah, don't put space, just remove the space. Yeah, hit the enter.
No, it's somewhere else.
Okay.
That's
Just do
from
one thing.
JetBrains.
Just do one thing. Research it again. Erase your search.
It's on the Yahoo search engine. Yeah, just go to Google. That's better.
No worries. Okay, type down
SQL.
MySQL.
Perfect.
MySQL.
Yeah.
Download. Yeah.
Good.
Select the first link. Click on that MySQL download first link. Great. Now scroll it a little bit down. Now click on MySQL Community GPL download. Yeah, here you are. Now click on MySQL installer for Windows. Can you see it? Yeah, right here. Now click on second option, which has size of 428 MB. Click on download button. Yeah, this one. No, just start download. Click on no thanks, just start download. Let's wait for your screen. Okay, till that point, Sadaf, you can stop your sharing. Just wait for your download. Once it's downloaded, so I reshare your screen. Just please stop it. Let me complete the last step for that. I will come again to you. Get back to your screen. Just stop your sharing. Sadaf, I can see your screen still.
And she did stop. It's
Okay,
your screen.
then why I can't see?
We see AlgoSoft state 4.
Okay. I guess there is a problem in my screen. That's why I can see her screen still.
Yeah, stop and reshare. Or
Yeah, cool. Now let me share my screen. Okay, all of you people, just watch my screen. This is the last step for today. How we will go how we will open the actual workbench screen. So in here, we under the MySQL connection section, we have one local instance MySQL LAT. So root and localhost 3306. That was the configuration which we did during the installation. So click on this box. Whenever you click on this box, the screen will come up, and whatever password you give on that time at the password section, just pass that password. I give root. So I will write down root and click on this checkbox button, save password and valid. So click on OK. Just all of you do the same. Write down that password which you had given in the configuration section. I give root. So whenever after that, just checkbox that check mark that box, save password invalid, and after that hit the OK button. Whenever you hit the OK button, here you are.
Masood,
You are now inside the MySQL workbench page. So till this point, all of you are rich. So massive congratulations, you're done with the installation process and you did configure your MySQL workbench.
Masood, if you are referring to the password, that password is when you give the password, maybe whatever you did. We don't know, but Furqan suggested to make it easy, write root ROOT. If you do not remember, you have to go and do the same process again.
I think mine is different. I'm more than happy to share. I just want to make sure that we are on the same page so I can share my screen. You can see it.
Yeah, Masood, no worries. We will see your screen. Oh, okay. Let me check with others first. Okay, all of you people facing the screens which is popped up on my screen. Please confirm it in the chat box. Okay, great job. Great. Now I will stop the installation process till here. We are good to go. From tomorrow onward, we will start the coding or writing the script inside the SQL workbench. So as of now, I will stop the recording as well. Let me stop my screen first. Okay. Sadaf, can you tell me the status? Did you download it? Yes. Okay.
Go ahead, share your
Go share your
screen
screen.
quickly.
Great job. Okay, you did the installation process as well, Sadaf.
Probably quick.
Do one thing. I don't think so. Okay, just click on installation process. That's cool. Just do one thing, Sadaf, unmute your mic and as well talk. Okay, now select the custom. Click on next. Now do the process, whatever I had done. For those of you might be question arise in your mind that, oh, we did install the Visual C++ and for concert didn't install. No worries at all. We reached our destination. Just sometimes many computer needs some other requirement in other configuration, so the MySQL installer will add that as well. So we are good to go. So after that, click on next, Sadaf. Now execute. Now click on execute.
So for our Mac users, when Furqan is, sorry, Rahmat is available, I'll ping you guys.
Kalash,
and see.
let me tell you one thing. How many Mac user we have right here?
Three.
Okay. How many of them are done with their installation?
One.
One. Okay. We have remaining 2 people. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Just wait for a second.
If you can take
Let's
care
try
of
it.
them.
Let's try it today. If it's not
Good,
possible,
good.
so we'll ask Rahmat because I don't have right Mac in my home. So I will first check it. We might install it today. No worries. Click on next.
Next. Keep
Yeah,
going,
click on
keep
next.
going.
Now click on next.
Password.
Next. Root. Give the password root or double OT. It will be a rememberable password. Confirm it with root. Okay, click on next.
For Khan, you do have some dummy data, right? For MySQL, right?
No, I will create dummy data today. I will import some database inside that. From
Okay,
where
perfect.
I will export it from my office database.
Okay.
Yeah. It will be a great practice. Okay, click on next, Sadaf.
Next.
Next.
Execute. Execute, yeah.
Click on execute.
Next.
Click on next.
Uncheck the shell. No. Uncheck the shell. Yeah, start MySQL shell, yeah. Finish. Good. Yeah, open it.
Yeah, click on
Put
that.
the password. Okay, check that password. Okay, next time when it asks, you can save the password vault as well. All good. Perfect. You can stop your screen sharing now.
Yeah,
Thank
you
you.
can stop your sharing, please.
Anyone else?
Yeah.
Anyone else?
We
It's
remain
Masood
with
turn.
the Masood, I guess.
Go ahead, Masood. We are waiting.
Yeah, but I don't know what's the problem. I'm still facing the sort of photo screen. I'm seeing it.
Yeah, see,
I don't
let's
know whether
stop.
she stopped it or not.
Yes, sir.
If I put my screen, maybe it switch it to this.
Yeah, good. Okay,
Okay.
double
So
click.
mine is different.
What is different?
Well, mine is from like tech student user, something that we had it before with the MySQL.
Oh, you can do one thing. You can, uninstall, reinstall. That will work.
Install the MySQL, reinstall it again.
Yeah,
Go to
Masood, do
control
one
panel.
thing. Masood, do one thing. Whatever process we did today, you just follow the same process.
Okay.
Okay, you say follow the same
So
process, and you can also do remove that text student user as well. Just keep it as a normal user root. So follow up the same whatever we did. You are good to go. From
right.
tomorrow onward, I will
So
follow up.
if
I will ping you today as well if you're not able to install it. So I will help you.
For fun,
if I
for
right
fun.
click,
Okay.
Masood, just get out of here. Yeah, just close this. Go to control panel. Close it. Go to control panel. Close it, not minimize it, because it will create problem
Yeah,
while you
I
are
will do one
uninstalling
thing.
it.
I will stop a recording as well because it doesn't need
Yeah, we don't
repeated
need
many
to. Yeah.
times.